Hi ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome back to my channel. Today I want to briefly share with you some of the farm plans I have. So if my dreams align with yours, feel free to use it, but if it doesn't, bring money, come and help mine. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I've been brainstorming on a lot of things that is going to serve as development for my farm. At the same time, it's more or less like a win-win for whoever is going to be partnering with me. So I'm sharing this as an opportunity for whoever is looking for where to invest and has not seen any. I can boldly say, if you partner with us, your situation will always be a win-win one. And I will not be making this video to be too long, which means I will not be telling too much stories, but I am going to still tell you some stories just to buttress my point. Yeah, I've been needing like 10 million naira between the next 8 months and a year. And you'll be thinking, is it that I want to buy a car? No. I am not buying any car, neither am I buying any land. Rather, I want to invest it on my farm business, and I have a breakdown of how these 10 million come into being, so which I'm going to be sharing with you. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have followed me from when I started this channel, you observe that I used to be a fish farmer, a catfish farmer, which means I already dug a lot of ponds before finally suspending the operations of fish farming business. So those ponds that I've dug, they are the ones I want to reclaim. So out of like 9 ponds that I have on that plot of land, I'm going to be covering up like 5 of them, so that I'll be able to use those places for the expansion of my farm. And the structures I wish to erect on that piece of land is I wish to build capacity for my broiler birds. At the same time, I wish to also erect more than 14 rooms pig pen, because most times when people contact me for pigs, I used to tell them sold out. Yes, I'm not lying, because I have the best breed on my farm. So in no time, in fact, people do deposit before my pig deliver their babies, for you to know how well God has placed us. Yeah. So now that has actually called for this expansion. As you know, we have the quality, but we don't have the numbers. So the expansion will enhance us, will give us the opportunity to have both the quality in numbers. I hope you understand. So that's the reason for having to build minimum of 14 rooms pig pen, and I'm going to be sharing with you the plan, how I plan to make that happen. And the cost for that is estimated to be nothing less than 3.5 million naira. With my own little calculation, we'll be spending nothing less than 3.5 million naira. And I intend to make it a no smell pig pen, which means I will not be using concrete flooring. I rather use deep litter system. But by the time this project unfolds, of course, God sparing our lives, I'm going to document the processes. So stay tuned. subscribe to this channel if you want to follow me. With you or without you, it's going to be done because God is involved. But I just want to implore so that you can say that you are part of our success. Join us. So here goes the plan. So I'm going to be plotting out these things I call my proposed plan for 14 rooms pig pen. Just stay tuned. Yes, so these are the 4 walls and that's the entrance. I'm dividing that one into 12 rooms, whereby I'm going to be having 12 sow. And when I say sow, those are the mature female pig that will be giving birth. And to my left side, I have 3 rooms for my boa. So those are the mature male pig that will be servicing them. And also I have 1 to 4 rooms that is going to serve as my winner's room. Another thing we want to use the money for is that we want to increase the numbers of CCTV cameras that we have on the farm. I wish to buy like 2 or 3 solar powered CCTV camera just in addition to the ones we have, and that one is estimated to cost us nothing less than 300,000 naira. In case you want to assist or you want to donate, whichever one comes first, you can always do that. Okay, another thing that I wish to also do is to increase the lighting on the farm. And what we are going to do is we're going to we're going to procure some floodlights, solar powered floodlights, and each is estimated to cost 75,000 naira. So we're going to be needing like 4, so that at night the farm is going to be well lit, and also it's going to prevent unnecessary entrance to the farm. So that one is going to cost us nothing less than 300,000 naira. Another thing worthy of note is that we have been facing challenges with thunder. Yes, thunder. Last year, 2023, we experienced thunder strike. It affected our solar system. As you know, my farm is powered by solar system. I had challenges with it last year, the same thing this year again. So, and I haven't gone around. I've been told that the only way to combat that thunder strike is to have thunder arrestor installed. So we are going to be installing that, and that one, according to the engineer, they told us it's going to cost us nothing less than 250,000 naira. And some of you might be thinking, why am I sharing all these things? Are they not supposed to be personal? Yes, they are personal, but I have so many reasons for creating this channel. One of the reasons is this channel serves as a diary for me, where I record what is happening, my plans. Another reason why I have this channel set up is just to share with you my successes and my failures, so that in case you want to emulate whatever I'm doing, you'll be able to see what works and what doesn't work. I hope you understand me. So my own failure is going to be your own experience, so that you don't fall into the same ditch. So ladies and gentlemen, in case you want to also have similar setup with mine, take a good look at my setup, see what works and see what does not work. Yeah. So, and another thing we're going to be using the money for is we want to increase our broiler holding capacity. The structure I have on ground at the moment can only cater for 200 birds, 200 broiler meat chicken birds, and especially when we are in heat season, I might not even be able to stock up to 200 in that pen, which means for the 6-week cycle I'll be stuck to less than 200 birds, which, you know, in one way or the other is going to limit my profit margin. At the same time, the reason why we want to erect another structure is we want to increase our capacity to minimum of 1,000 birds. That's almost ×5 of what we are raising at the moment, by God's grace, and I know it's achievable with God on our side and with you people that are going to help us. So what I want to ask of you, in case you cannot give us money, please give us good words, encourage us, share this video with your friends. You never can tell, some of your friends might be looking for who to assist. By the time we pop up on their timeline, God can use them. So don't hesitate to share this video with them. Yeah, for that broiler pen, we estimate that one to cost us nothing less than 4.5 million naira, and it's doable. Yes, we're going to attain it, we're going to achieve it in the next 1 year by God's grace. So the time from uploading this video, you can check back in the next 1 year to see if it's done or not. So ladies and gentlemen, if you want to assist us in any way, my phone number is going to be below this video in the comment section, or in the description section of this video, whereby you can always reach out to us. And also, if peradventure you want to send us money and you are not in Nigeria and you are in any other part of the world, we also have a functional paper account that you can use to send money to us. We can also accept wire transfer, whichever method you want to employ. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what we want to use the 10 million naira we are soliciting for. That is what we want to use it for. I think I should just have a rephrase of what I've told you. The first one is that we're going to be reclaiming the land. We're going to be sand filling like 5 ponds, and each of those ponds measures 40 by 40 feet, each of the 4. So you can see they are huge. Yes, so we're going to be sand filling it with the help of bulldozer. The bulldozer is going to scrape land to cover those ponds. So we are estimating 1.5 million for that. I told you we are going to be buying some cameras, like 2 or 3. That one is costing us 300,000. We're buying floodlights, solar powered floodlights. That one is going to be costing us nothing less than 300,000 naira. And the construction of 14 rooms pig pen that I told you about, that one is going to be costing us nothing less than 3.5 million naira. And thunder arrestor, we're going to be spending nothing less than 250,000 naira on that. And the last but not the least plan we have for the next 1 year is we're going to be constructing 1,000 to 1,500 broiler meat chicken capacity broiler pen. So, and that one is estimated to cost us nothing less than 4,250,000 naira. So everything sums up to 10 million naira. Ladies and gentlemen, if each of you, my subscribers, want to assist me, each of you will be paying like 3,000 naira, and this project will be achievable in no time. Yes, because at the moment of recording this video, I have 3,600 subscribers. So if we just divide that by 10 million naira, each of you will be paying between 3,000 to 3,500 naira, which is achievable, is a chicken change to you anyways. So ladies and gentlemen, to your success, to our progress, let's build one wonderful community together. You can criticize this video, but constructively, please. If you don't have the money and you are not giving us any money, please hold your peace. Stay safe. Bye for now.